To provide high-quality soft and filtered water to your home, the water softener needs to be connected to your home's main water supply. The water supply can be located on either side or the middle of the home, and will have a hose bib for watering plants or washing cars. Once the location of your main water service is located, our certified technicians can plan how and where your system will be installed. If the water line enters on the garage side, typically the system would be installed in the garage directly opposite the water main. If your water line is located in the middle of the house or on the opposite side of your garage, the installation procedure is slightly different. Our skilled technicians can run plumbing lines underground from the main water supply and beneath the front walkway to your water softener location in the garage. Other options include running a single line up the outside wall of the home, through the attic, and drop down into the garage, where your system will usually be placed next to or close to the water heater. Installations involving two-story homes where attic access or other options are not available. Water softener supply lines can be ran underground and behind your block wall to locate the system there and away from view. A paver base and outdoor covers are included to ensure quality performance and water system longevity. If your home was built after 2005 and is single-story construction, your water lines are made of PEX composite material and are accessible in your attic. Chances are good that our installation technicians can make connections in the attic and run the water softener supply lines to the garage for system location. There are several installation options available depending on your home design, layout, and budget you have established for your project. Clearwater Concepts provides experienced, professional water softener installation services at a fraction of the cost of our competitors. We are a licensed, bonded, and insured contractor operating for over 21 years in the Phoenix area. We have installed over 25,000 water treatment systems in the Valley of the Sun and maintained 5-star ratings with Yelp, Google, BBB, and others. Please contact us today for a free site inspection and consultation.